All right, good morning, good morning. Let's get into this. Good morning, good morning. I think the stream's good. I think we're good. Yes, we're live, we're live. All right, let's get into it. All right, sweet, sweet, sweet. So, want to go over the bullish SMT. We have these lows. So obviously we traded big, down pretty big. And then we consolidated. There were some trades in here yesterday. Actually had nice win yesterday, two actually, and then I had a loss, which is fine. But up on the day, which is good. Looking at this pullback down into this range, we have SMT with YM, and now we're obviously pushing higher. I'd like to see this high made at some point, so it'd be buy side there. These are higher time frame sell sides. I can actually get those off so we don't have those on there. So that's what I'm looking at. I gotta check something real quick. Okay. Ripping. Alright. Well, anyways, I'm liking the bullish SMT. We have these lows and the push higher. I want to see if we want to get down into this range and then move up higher, or if we want to just reject here and keep going from this area, from this higher time frame. You could say order block here. I know we got 30 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. It'd be good if we close bullish, but in the short term, pulling back into here and then going higher would actually be nice too. So I like that thesis as well. Opening range now. Let's go up to the opening range. So we just closed here. We open there. We're dipping down into this area. So opening range right there. Let's close this out. Let's mark up our opening range here. Not quite 50% yet, but we're paying attention to this area as we go throughout the day today. So we're pulling back down into here. We're at the midnight open. 5-minute time frame. We're just pulling back into these areas. You can look between ES and NQ. Let's see what we got here. So notice the low, push up, and then you can see even here. Lets me go down a lower time frame, so that's lagging. It'd be nice. A lower low here and a higher low there, so that's bullish. And now we're just coming back into that bullish rejection area. So that's why I'm not going to be surprised if we just get a rip right up from here. Okay. Lower low, higher low in the wick. Still need more information, obviously. But just top-down analysis, that's like what I'm seeing. So we get the higher low there, lower low there. Higher time frame bullish thesis in my opinion. I personally think we can go higher. I like that rejection there. Look at that rejection at fair value gap. On YM. Like this is bullish SMT up the ass, dude. I feel like so many people are still bearish from all the news and all that. Like, oh, we're going down, but honestly, I still think we could see something like this. But if we do go down first and then possibly back up. Let's see. SMT spin at the lows, so like I personally like that. Yo, what the fuck? No way. What the fuck? So crazy. Options are so expensive. I wouldn't mind buying some calls right now. Have them out like 8 days or something like that. Where do you have a firm at? 19th. Ah, that's gonna lose. Going side by side. Look at that bullish SMT, dude. Holy shit. Is that bullish SMT at these lows? Then we just start ripping on up. Do that 30-second inversion closure right about here. Now we're starting to rip up to these highs. Let's see how this one does. Let's see how we go on this. I think we're gonna rip, dude. Pretty feisty right there. How's our news coming out? Let's got that guy speaking later, so no, not really any news today. Let's trade it out 403. We're at such a deep discount, I really think we're gonna rip on through. Doesn't need to happen though. If we reject here in the next 20 minutes, obviously we're gonna most likely pull back more. Let's see what we get here. We're back down to that 30-second area, 30-second gap again. Where we inverse this 30-second here. We just get that internal high. So this would be the play right there. 20 points. Stats go to break even or partials, really depends. I go higher there. See how it plays out this. Bounce out the opening range already. Might just go bearish. It'd be sick if it did. A better opportunity. I don't even know if I'm logged into my Tradevate. No, I don't even think my Tradevate's logged in. Word. Cool. Alright. So we go to NQ here. Okay, we bounced off an end log there and we're pulling back. I like that. Let's log into a yeah, I don't even know if the apex. No, I canceled my apex. That's what it did. Let's take a trade on this account. If it's like really valid later, if it's not, then I don't give a fuck. Alright, I'm gonna go over to my today's a definitely lower probability, but we did have nice consolidation yesterday. Go back into here. We're in inversion for value gap right there. 2 minute as well. We saw the SMT. I'm still bullish, like I said. We're just playing around. We got 2 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. I want to see in the next 2 minutes. I want to see this close up above this 15-minute. If it doesn't close up above that, it's a lot riskier. Okay, now we got this breaker here. Order block. 1 minute inversion for value gap right there. Midnight open, I like it to an extent. Like I said, I'm already bullish, so. Let's see how this 15-minute closes. Yeah, I would say higher, but still want to fucking wait. You got order blocks there. Yeah, we hit this high here. I'm staying on sidelines, dude. I've seen this too many times. I'm just gonna wait. Am I moving something? Yeah, it was. 9 seconds left. I want to see it pop up. Nope, not gonna pop up. Mental capital and the focus, systems and processes is the key. So we just inverted that 15. So we go to the 15 on all three of these. We obviously got bearish SMT. Okay, higher high. Well, let's see here. On the lower time frames. Lower high, higher high. If you want to pay attention, does this now want to fall down to these levels here? That's the question we're playing with ourselves right now. Like we're like asking ourselves that question right now. Let's see. Like we got this 1 minute inversion, but we also have this one up here that we're likely to tap into. I mean, if we tap it, you're gonna break even like right away. Like I already said, I'm bullish, so like it's not that big of a deal. But like I said, higher time frame, I don't like it that much, so I'm okay with missing out on that. I don't need to take it. I don't need to take every potential setup. If I miss a trade, it's okay. It's like obviously not clear in the moment. And like obviously I do feel a little bit of FOMO because looks like a trade could be setting up, but obviously it's not that clear, so stay out of it. Or just say fuck it, just take the risk, you know? Do we break through this with a REFERRAL gap? Not yet. Is it going to? Maybe it will. Dude, I don't like how slow these are changing through. This really does not look bullish to me. Like if we're gonna go bullish, I would say this low should hold here up to these highs. But since that 15-minute inverse, I want to stay out of it. Sweet. So that's the thing where experience comes in, where it's like I really wanted to enter, but I know it's not in my best interest to enter something like that. We could wait until more of a discount within here. If we get something lower, that could be better, even though we had SMT earlier. I wanted to see a buy from there. But still, we already have the SMT. It doesn't necessarily need to keep coming down. So we came down below that 30 minute. If this is gonna still stay bullish, we got 9 minutes left in this 30 minute. So I want to see how that plays out. Let's see how this plays out, you know? What if we get a dip down into here, then a reversal after, back into the order block, whatever. I would say trading down at this low based on that closure. Obviously, this is a 30-second inversion. Like, you could have taken that, but I'd rather stay out of this trade. Let's get it, baby. Look at that SMT. Lower low. Down below here. Higher low there. So as I was saying, bullishness. I want to look to see if we get something within here now. If we have SMT here, which we don't on the wicks. So if we don't have SMT in the wicks, I can't take this trade. But if we get SMT in the wicks, I'll take it. Especially if we're up above here. That'd be a 30-second IFVG here. Never got that second low. We're likely to get this soon. Still didn't inverse it. That's fine. So this could be a 2-minute as well. So we'll see. Still rejected that 30-second. Maybe one more swing low with turtle soup. We let it play out over some time here. We might be able to get something good. Where's midnight open? Midnight's up here. Should have cleared out midnight up there, coming down. I'm not really that bearish, but that's the thing. SMT at these wicks now. It's not 1 minute SMT, it's 30-second. Still no closure. I just like this low to be hit. So look at all three of these. Look at them. We have lower low, higher low. Rejecting here. 9 minute. Looking like it could peel over. Let's not see an SMT on the wicks. Yeah, because if this does start to peel over at some point, these might fall over as well. How's DXY looking? I don't really trade DXY. So, I mean, anything could happen here in DXY. It looks just like shit. Alright, bearish SMT now, so I might actually short back down. Short this right here. I'm not shorting it, because like I said, I'm already bullish, but this will be a little scalp. Like it just obviously can't break. It's building a shit ton of liquidity. There's lows here. Okay, we're about to hit this. Boom. Alright, I'd take the profit out there if I was in that. So now I gotta watch, see what happens here. Had so many opportunities to close up above it, and it just didn't. So that's why you could short that. And then we had SMT in the wicks.
Head over to brain.fm or follow the link in the description below.
Get this for value gap now, the SMT. If we're bearish, this is just continuation, but just not bearish here. I mean, I could just sell it off. Is that 4-hour close? 2 minutes. No, a minute. A minute. Got this rejection block there if it wants to come down to it. Put an alert on it. Let's see. Let's get some SMT in this bitch. So we're closing back down below here. If we get that SMT, I would say this is a good trade. Just need some SMT, that's the thing. We're not getting any SMT. Alright. Did I hit that low? Yeah, we have the SMT now. Gotta wait for this 30-second inversion here. We're gonna get it or not gonna get it? I don't think we're gonna get it. Oh, we did not fucking get it. I was gonna enter that too. We did not get it. We did not get it. Jeez, it's fucking falling. I like it though. Make another low, that'd be fat. Yo, if we hit this low down here, I've not taken any trades yet, but if we hit this low down here, yo, this thing could be prime. Okay, DXY hitting the high, I believe. 5 minute, yeah. Now let's see if we reject there or rip up. If we rip up to here, ooh. Where are we gonna do that? Hit the volume balance, we should be flipping back around now. Yeah, this is bullish. Hello, we going, bitch? Fucking A. Down in this wick. Let's put about 50% of this bitch in here. Back in the order block. Back to the rejection block and the 12-hour. Daily. You know, some wick up there. Yo, if it's really bearish, I mean, daily time frame. 12-hour. It's one more leg down. Doesn't happen every time, but it's possible. So example in here. I mean, it's consolidated here and then just went back up. Came down, did this thing, traded down again. I feel like we're already in a discount. So I think we're gonna get a rip up to these highs or something, kind of like this here. I need to watch the chart though. If we get a big ripper right now, let's see. Dude, it's so hard for me to want to buy this now. I know we inverted that 15-minute and we sold off. But part of me is wanting this low now. If it trades back into here and then hits the low later. I mean, I feel like that's what a lot of people are thinking now. And that's usually when price starts to reverse. We have SMT at the lows, let's see. Not really? Wait, yes we do. Yes, we do. Okay, that's good. If we get this 2-minute inversion, I'm buying this shit. I feel like I need more info though. Like we're about to inverse here. No, we didn't inverse it. We inversed over here, but not there. Multiple fair value gaps, not enter, not. I mean, 30-second one was right there, but I didn't like that. I'm still not convinced. I want to see more price action. Or just wait for it to expand, get another consolidation, something a little bit better. If we hold higher on one of these and we do break lower, definitely want to look to buy some calls on this. Let's see. Oh shit. Alright, get that off my screen. Yeah, I want to pay attention to this 2-minute gap here. Obviously we're rejecting it. If we reject it, this could keep moving down lower. But I want to see, do we continue to move down into here and then reject with SMT inversion to go long? Or do we end up just trading down, still respecting and moving down lower towards this low? And then we get a possible flip around with SMT. So I have yet to take anything, have not yet. I was actually looking for this 30-second inversion, but it never really gave it to me. So with no SMT, so I didn't take that. So we just had this 30-second inversion here. So I would say we're going to short down to this low now. Stay here. Depends on what these did here. They all made the same high, so that's not a good SMT. Also didn't take liquidity, so it's not really a good setup for that short, but that's what I'd be looking for. Let's see. See if this moves down. The inversion there. Tap there. Alright, there we go. Let's see at this low once more. Maybe we hit the low, we stay higher here or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna stay off for right now. Alright, another lower low, higher low here. I kind of like that. Okay, lower low. Alright, alright. Does this follow suit as well? Yes. Yes, sir. All bitches tap the low. See if it continues now. No, this is nice. Let's go hit sell side. Hit sell side. Maybe it gives us something else. Might hit out those early buyers. Because everybody and their mom is probably thinking we're going to keep buying up from here. But if we hit out these early buyers, we get something a little bit better. More SMT and more liquidity taken internally on the other ones. That might be a good opportunity that I'm gonna look forward to calls. I just need to see some lower time frame structure telling me it's gonna be good. Ugh. So I like how there's like no SMT up there in that area when we just traded down. But I know we're at a rejection block. We're in this fair value gap. We hit this higher time frame PD array. What did we hit here? Anything? An NQ? Any NWOGs or anything? Let's see. No. DXY. Just being stupid up in this area, whatever. So we got this 2 minute there. Do we have SMT? No. So stand out. Yeah, SMT on this wick here. I mean, if we make that lower low right here, let's say we poke this low. Already, that's SMT on the 30-second wicks. I'm not trying to be hyper focused on that. So 1 hour rejection block. I'm gonna keep that in mind. Because this could be the low if this inverses this shit. Got a lot of trendline liquidity up here. But I would love to see more SMT get formed. Order block, 2 minutes. So this is a 1 minute for value gap. Okay, we got the low formed in, took out this liquidity. love to see this low hit first, but that does not need to happen. If we inverse this 2 minute, it has a higher probability of going higher. I'd say that. Make this green. But we need to inverse that. The bearish us some taking these wicks to sell off, but obviously, like I said, I'm not interested in the sell off right now. Let's plan this trade here. So 20 points. So 4, 8. Yeah, so 3 contracts. So much time to go on this 2 minute here. Okay, I was gonna close at the same time. Okay, we didn't get that closure. Still, there's just something about it I don't really like anyway. I don't know what it is. Looks like we're about to get that very soon. I like the SMT that we're still getting at these wicks here. I'd rather see the 2 minute versus anything else. Obviously, it's just consolidating here. It's 10:20, so I don't really like this time, but yeah, this might not actually play, so we'll see. Yeah, 2 minutes not really doing it. We got 30 seconds left. This closes bearish like that. That's not a good sign. We want to see it start bouncing back up. It's going to go bullish, but at the same time, I'm aware that this would be nice too. Maybe some more consolidation. We actually get a trade later in like 30 minutes. And this doesn't need to play out. Nothing needs to happen. So. Alright, selling back off. No entry. They're all making that lower low. That's not a good sign for buys. Shit, man. Does that mean we're going to trade down lower? Maybe. Okay, we're still staying below the new day opening gap. Let's see. Some SMT in the wicks. Good equal highs up here. I'm just looking to see if we're gonna get a retest of like this breaker or something. Yeah. See the trades down now. They're all falling in sync, so. I'm not trading this, but this is what I'm thinking right here. Where's it right there? Yeah, it's so bearish. Look at that. Four minute closure. Look at that. Boom, let's sell off. Let's see a sell off. Oh shit, maybe not. What's the fear and greed index at right now? Oh yeah, we're in some fear right now. Fear and greed. 1 week ago we're neutral. A year ago greed. 1 month ago greed. So like we're in fear right now. Look at it, just pulling back. October 13th, 2023 was the last time we were like down here. November of 2023. So November of 2023, let's go back into that. Actually, let's see this gap here. No SMT, no trade. Fuck that shit. So, what is this, in November of 23? We had fear. That's the last time we were that fearful, was down here. November. That was, the low was Extreme Fear. August 23rd of 2023 when it first started to dip, kind of like it is now. Let's say August 23rd, August 22nd, August 23rd. Right here. So first dip, then we came back up. That's why I'm thinking we can get a push. Like a push from here into here. And then another sell-off or another high. Depends on really like what decides to happen, but some type of retracement would be nice. But this is already closing very bearish here. But 4 hours just open and we just trade down 50% of this wick here. You know? We might get that 2-minute closure now, but there's no SMT, so I can't take this fucking trade. Douchebag. Fuck you. It's like, it doesn't give you the confirmations I need, so I'm not going to get in it. I need to see a lower low or a higher low, man. I mean, I'm in some calls from over a week ago. I'm already up like only 1% on the calls, but yeah, that's it. All right, look at that. Lower low, higher low there. That's a good sign. Do we have a 2-minute inversion closure? No, sir, we do not. We do have the 1 minute, though. But I don't like that wick that's up there. So, obviously, I need more information in this area. I'd like to see this still trade down. Give me like one more sweep low. We stay higher here, something a little bit better. Something like this. Beautiful, sexy. Love it. Something like that would be so good. But obviously it doesn't need to happen. Does not need to happen. Let's put this back on the 3 minute. I like the order block there. Got a lot of trendline liquidity here. Obviously opening range is so filled right now. Dude, we're so low. We took out the lows from yesterday in the opening range. Didn't take out the highs. Fear is all-time high right now. Not all-time high, I mean the lowest since whatchamacallit. Since we haven't seen this much fear since November 13th, 2023. I'm liking it. Let's see, we got this retest here. Let's see how this plays out. Still bearish on it until like we really start going. Let's see here. Let's get it. We need more price action. There's nothing confirmed yet. Gun to my head. We might go for this low once more. What is the 26? Alright. Yeah, I got some calls on NQ. I might be bearish in the short term, but I want to keep my eyes open just on if these calls play out or not. know we're in like a higher time frame rejection here. It's done this so many times before. Like go to a 4 hour. I mean, it happened here, but then we shifted down and then a massive buy. I mean, look at this one. Yeah, back from fucking February, dude. This is like big. Or we're just gonna get something like this. And then a big buy. I don't know if it's gonna. We'll see. I think we get another leg down and then a buy, but. Oh man, dude, yeah, this looks like it's gonna happen. We're even getting SMT at these wicks. Yes, we are. Now we got the SMT down here. So that's the thing, we gotta see. Does this now want to buy, or does it just want to go back? I know we hit this low, dude. If we break through this low and we follow suit with all these, oh, this is bearish as fuck. Does that mean a firm's gonna die off? Hopefully. Maybe a big sell in the firm. What are the calls in the firm? I mean, the puts. Ah! 30-50? Okay. Yeah, it's deep. Oh yeah, we're gonna go deep on that one. That does decide to sell. Okay, we got the SMT there. Okay, we got an inversion level here. Relative equal. I should say relative equal highs up there, but. Dude, I just don't like it, man. I just don't fucking like it. I just don't like it. But I know we're at this rejection block, and we're obviously... Dude, we have so many PD arrays that we just broke through, dude. I know we could fall so much more, too. Oh, this 4 hour just looks fucking disgusting, though. If it closes like this, that's fucking disgusting. 2 hour time frame. Another hour on that. We'll see. We'll see if it gets up into this range. Like, if it's going to short, I want to see it get up above this 15 minute and then give us some SMT. As of right now, bearish SMT in these 1 minute wicks again. 2 minute wicks, I mean. Oh, it's not looking too hot. It is not looking too hot, dude. Oh my god, it looks so bearish.
Order filled.
30-second inversion here. SMT at the highs. Let's see if this 30-second inversion sends price down or not. This would be fat if it did. Look at that shit, dude. That's so crazy. Do we keep digging this low and holding higher here? I mean, this is staying strong. We're staying strong here. That might be it, you know? Oh, this is so crazy. So, we need more information here. Got this 15-second gap here too that we came down below, came back above, and it looks like we're coming back down below. We got 2 minutes left on it. Ah, it's based on this closure, dude. It's making me not wanna. Well, before I actually never closed. But just this pullback is making me think like, okay, we gotta get one of these and then a buy up. Or are we just gonna get one of like, let's go on it died in 2022. That's what I'm thinking. Like we just, yeah, we sold off. You know, we're tapping this gap and we're moving down. Like, what am I thinking this is? I really think this is like a regular uptrend kind of move. There's so much liquidity up there. Dude, back down below in the 4 minute. Oh, this is bearish. Higher high, lower high. That motherfucker's short right now. I want to see a retest back in. The more we hang around here and shop around, the more likely we could do something like this. Yeah, I don't like how this 1 hour is closing. I'm about to go grab another coffee. I'm gonna wait for this macro. We got 5 minutes left. Yo, I can't tell if this building up to go crazy or chilling down here. You want to see this 15-minute wick or something like that? All right, like I said, I gotta go grab another coffee. I don't want to keep watching this shit going sideways. I'll be right back. Oh my god. I didn't even have the mic on. Son of a bitch. Sorry, guys. Just in the zone right now. Observing this PA. We had a 5-minute inversion, but then we came right back into it. So we're watching to see what we get in this inversion now. It's obviously been moving bearish, but we never broke this high. So it's looking like it's staying heavy. So look at that. Another low. Right here. Another low here. Higher low there. So I want to pay attention to what do we get in this area now. So the next 30... Fuck, they didn't create a gap. Fucking A, dude. It's not really what I wanted to see, but... I wanted to see that close down with a gap, and then... it fell in and inverse that gap and rip. But we'll see. There's a very strong area here that we're paying attention to. Let's see if it continues. This really is not looking that good. So I'm allowing this just to dip just a little bit. I'm gonna say not below here, because we're still staying higher there. I want to allow this to flip back around. We got a 30-second for value gap there. I know we have bearish SMT at these highs, which isn't that good, but we'll see if this wants to flip back around. This is like the last point that I'm really gonna allow it to fuck around. I know it's 11:13 right now. Let's see if we get a continuation back down or not. No, we just took out this liquidity. So we got this 30-second. I want to see this 30-second give me something good. If not, then obviously I'm out, you know? There's that 1-minute gap that I was looking to be respected. Because if this is the case, we want to trade lower, then we just trade lower, and then we look for buys later in the PM. I haven't taken anything on this account. Yeah, this is not looking that good, so stop loss is about to happen. Let's look for something later, no big deal. Stop loss rates. Oh shit. Stop loss is right below this low. That's why I was allowing this gap to be filled in, but fuck, man. Dude, we still got that SMT. That's dirty. Is that rejection block down here? We're back down below that 5-minute. I don't like that anymore. I was allowing this to play out because we have that inversion. But fucking A, man. Oh my god, we got a 30-second inversion there with the SMT. Oh my god. Yo, she gets a ripper now, dude. That'd be awesome. I just don't think it's gonna happen, though. I really don't. This trade's so invalidated. Okay. Lower low again, about below these equal lows. It's just so hard for it to get up and above. And this is like not a good time to trade anymore. They're out of the macro. Like here was the win earlier, but my entry was shit on it. So I got stopped out at break even, and then I ran 50 fucking points. So for some reason, no, I was trying to buy, like, whenever I've tried to buy, like, is it the 5-minute inversions? They're like, I'm not that good at it, honestly, because that was what this trade is based on. I'm better at waiting for the 5-minute to close and then have it give me something better. So really, the lowest time frame I'd like to take inversion trades on is like a 2-minute. Now we're breaking down below this low. We're staying higher there. Some more SMT. My stop is still down below this low, which is, if it gets hit, whatever. Like, looking at this chart, I'm so not opposed to seeing it hit the low again and then something better. Alright, I'm out. Cool. Look for better trades later. But overall, happy with the setups. Alright guys, that's it for me. But proud of really just waiting out on a lot of this range. I was good with sticking with my bias. Happy I saw these equal highs when we hit this low. I'm happy that I took advantage of it. But it broke even. And then up here, I'm not too happy about me getting this entry because maybe I was just chasing it and subconsciously had FOMO because I missed out on this move because my break even was hit. So that's what mistake I had, I guess. And also it wasn't a clear entry like right away. But the good thing about that is that I held the trade and I observed the SMT in case the trade did decide to play out like my original bias thought. These equal highs up here. So I want to pay attention to that. And happy I have the calls in place. They're gonna probably be in drawdown for a little bit, but like we got these equal highs and then like we got these equal highs up here, so I'm pretty confident that we could reach up there at some point. And then we got SMT here, but this could follow through and break the SMT, then we just wait. Got these calls for over a week, so I'm okay with that. What could I have done better here? It's in the grand scheme of things. When it came to the entry here on the 32nd, I'll have to go back and watch the recording, but fear definitely crept in, and I allowed myself to move my stop too early because of me not seeing like huge higher time frame SMT, and I was like, all right, this might not be that good actually. But at the same time, it was still giving me SMT that we could reach higher. And like this was just giving me like a, you could call this the breaker play or whatever. Over here and over here, it was just giving us order flow from this 1 minute per value gap. Because we had the higher time frame PD array, we had SMT at the wicks and whatnot. Yes, it was bouncing off of this 2 minute for value gap, but that doesn't really matter when we hit a higher time frame liquidity point, and then like we had clear draw higher. That easily could have been a even with entry here and then break even. Like I broke even as soon as it fucking hit the high. Just stupid. Just leave the damn trade open. So 10 minutes would have been okay. That would have been 10 minutes anyway. TP would have been done within 10 minutes. Let's get the actual one on. So buy 20 points. So take profit 1 here. Let's call it 20 points. Take profit 2 would be here. So 40 points. And then let's say the last one, let's say we moved it to break even. Let's say the last one had break even because like we did not need to enter here. Like that wasn't anything good really. So it was, I guess you could say that was stupid on my part. It's because I had a break even there. But really think about it. So like that, let's pull up calculator. So we had let's say we risked 1,200 on it. So with three contracts, 20 points. So 4, 8, 12. Okay. So we have a profit of 400 on one, and then we have a profit of 800 on the next, because we're going to close it at 40 points at this gap. We could also standard deviation this swing here. That'd be the one. I don't really like that standard deviation. Get a better one here. That'd be more like it. Right to the 2, but also up into there. Let's get that off. But overall, 40-point profit plus 400 would be 1,200. So it'd be like 1-to-1, and then like if the other one hit the TP, that would have been 60. So it'd be 4, 8, 1,200. Okay, so it'd be 1,200, 1,200. So it'd be 2,200 profit on that. Yeah. I mean, just adjusting my stop here. I mean, my stop loss movement in a situation like that could be still leave the stop open. Like just because there's, like you made the bet that like if you get that inversion closure on the 30-second that you're gonna hold it for that rejection, and you're just gonna accept the risk on it. So yeah, dude, this is still looking fire. Now we're getting another lower low. Dude, I don't trade this time, like at this time, but like, dude, this is still looking fire. It's really not, actually, it's not that good, because like, look at the chop. It's not even spitting in like for value gaps or anything really. It's more like the order block play here. But yeah, next time, I'm just gonna leave my stop open. You know, just leave the stop open. Just accept the risk and just let it rip, because that would have been fat profit. But yeah, take it easy, guys. Love y'all. Peace out.